our mission at this zoo is education and conservation, and we are so thrilled to be able to open this fabulous new building. It allows us to educate many more children. We have waiting lists of hundreds of children every single year.
The new Exploration and Learning Center is approximately 11,000 square feet with flexible interior walls, and it will maximize its functionality. The space will add 6 more classrooms, a multi-purpose space, outdoor learning spaces that we can do so much more in front, behind, but most importantly, it allows us to expand our educational offerings and meet the growing demand for wildlife and nature-based education.
And then he's got a scale covering his eye, so he doesn't have eyelids like we do. He'll never blink. Master of staring contest. Always watching, yes. Lots of times they get mistaken for giant rodents, but they are actually the United States only marsupial, meaning that they have a pouch. The females have a pouch on their tummy that they hold their babies in.
It's the redhead. Hi. What else is she saying? Okay.